In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Axiom. This is one of the first things you need to do before you can deposit funds, trade meme coins, or use Axiom's trading features. Now, if you don't have a Phantom wallet yet, be sure to create one first and make sure you have some SOL available for transaction fees. Let's begin. Once you are logged in, I want you to hover on the top right corner where you can see your profile icon or the gear settings. I want you to click the account and security and then go to the wallets and click manage wallets. Alternatively, you can also go to the portfolio tab on the center of the screen because this will also forward you to this option. Now, I want you to click the create button and then go to the wallet because we are going to add another wallet connecting the Phantom. Now, I am going to rename my new wallet, which I am going to connect Phantom, and then click the import button. And then you need to enter the private key, which you can find on your Phantom wallet by going to the Chrome extension. I'm going to click the Phantom and I'm going to my Phantom wallet address, for example, this one. And then here, I'm going to paste it. Before you click the import wallet, here are a few important things you need to know. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Never enter your recovery phrase on any website. Only connect your wallet to the official Axiom website and always review transactions before approving it in Phantom. And then click the import wallet. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you connect your Phantom wallet to Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.